Well, I need more windows. I'm literally burnt out with refurbishing windows. So you saw, since the last Windows video, we got these two installed, and this one up here, I left a pane open so that I could put a fan in that area. And then I have one next to the back door right here. Fit perfect. And then another one up there. And in this corner, we will frame in a little square area for a smaller box fan. So we're going to paint the trusses this weekend and then put the roof on. And probably while my husband is doing the roofing section, I will just hand paint the inside, the walls, and the outside of the greenhouse. But before we could do that, we have lots of little gaps and spaces that we need to seal up. So we are so close. Oh, and of course, we've got this wall that we're finishing up, and all the footing area. What I would love to do is on the footing, probably do some sort of wood on the inside, and then with the same concept as our garden boxes, do that all around the base. I think that would look really cool. But just because we're so pressed for time with winter around the corner, we'll probably just do some sort of siding or something temporarily to get it sealed up. But pretty exciting. I can't wait. So yeah, no more window videos, I promise. Way too burnt out, and you can only post so many videos of somebody refurbishing a window, right? So thanks for watching, and come back for our next steps.